Guys, how you guys doing today? You guys hear that? I do. Gotta stay quiet. Stop, drop, and roll, bitch. Shit. Shit, fuck the box closed. You know my talkies. I got my fucking talkies. Yeah, guys, I just woke up, dude. What the fuck is this thing, dude? What the fuck is this thing? Piece of shit. Anyway, what you guys up to today? Hope you guys are having a good day. You know what I mean? No? Okay. I need a fucking talkie. I need a fucking piece of fucking shit fucking talkie. Yeah. Boy Curry. You got LeBron. LeBron straight ugly though. LeBron looks like a straight jellyfish. Know what I mean? Or no. It's great. Go spy on my dog. Turn. People. Puppy. Well, that nigga's fucking passed the fuck out. Who the fuck's in here? Fuck's in here, man. Piece of shit. I'm a fucking talkie. People. My fucking bike. Just sitting here. Looking sexy and dirty. I mean, no. Got you guys. Remember that. Fucking didn't go to school today. Fuck the school, man. Woke up late. Damn. What the time? You know what I mean? Oh, man. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do another Black Ops 2 video. Or Black Ops 3. Depends if I feel like playing Xbox One. Fuck you doing, dog? Fuck you doing? Thanks, crazy. Something wrong with this dog, man. Tried killing me last night. Tried to bite my toe off. Right? Tried to bite my toe off. Do you remember that? Remember that? Do you remember that? When we tried to bite my toe off? Fuck you too. don't eat them? Come on, pussy. Is you on camera? No. Yeah. Well, yeah. Oh, got you. I'll see you guys later, okay? Yeah, I'll post a video on Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Shut the fuck up, dog. God damn it. Okay. Nothing about him. Anyway, I'll post a video either later tonight or tomorrow. Does that sound good? Okay, I'm just gonna leave. No, let's go. Bye. Big boo. Big boo. Big boo. Now I'm playing for a bye. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Ugh.